Welcome to Vectorworks 2013, where creativity and evolution combine to deliver an exciting new release. Creativity is a process that lives in constant evolution, and designing and improving software follows a similar path. In fact, the Nemetschek Vectorworks team has worked continuously to improve our platform and deliver the most comprehensive and versatile set of design software available to meet your industry's evolving demands. Vectorworks software remains the clear choice for design tools that are flexible, versatile, intuitive, and smart, for one simple reason: because we never stop evolving. While we can't possibly fit all of the improvements we've made to version 2013 in this video, we've highlighted the most significant ones to capture the attention of your creative mind. We hope you're as excited about this new release as we are. Now let's dig in and explore some of the enhanced tools and features of Vectorworks Spotlight. I'd like to turn the presentation over to our industry specialist, who will walk you through the new features.
Hello and welcome to Vectorworks 2013. This year we decided to break up the features into 4 major groups: better 3D modeling, leader in entertainment design, improved efficiency, and enhanced interoperability. First, we've dramatically improved the performance of both panning and zooming. Whether you're drawing in 2D or modeling in 3D, you'll appreciate the faster redraw time, and you'll have more information available to you as you cruise around your file. Plus, you'll get much quicker OpenGL and 3D wireframe previews while rotating. Next is the Clip Cube. This tool will provide you with the ability in real time to examine your model in section. So, for example, if you need to see if there's a sightline shot from the Stage Manager's console, or if there's enough height for a particular set piece off stage, here's the tool for you. When the tool is activated, a bounding cube is created. Any face in the 3 axes, X, Y, and Z, can then be used to dynamically cut through the model. The model can be viewed in either orthogonal or perspective projection, and in either wireframe or OpenGL rendering. The Vectorworks walkthrough tool has evolved to provide an interactive experience that's more responsive and predictable when navigating inside your model. Just click on any area of the screen and then start walking. Where you click, you'll see a screen reference point that your cursor position refers to. Just think of your pointer like it's a gaming joystick. The movement and rotation has also been improved for a much smoother experience, allowing you to create better visualizations of your design. We've improved the Rotate tool to work in an intuitive and easy manner. The Rotate tool now provides enhanced graphical feedback while rotating objects. A protractor preview clearly shows the rotation center, the axis of rotation, and the rotation lever. The Rotate tool can also automatically recognize the working plane of the selected object. This way, the rotation angle can be interactively applied to your selection, streamlining changes made in your design. If your current workflow requires you to model and navigate in 3D, I'm sure you're familiar with our perspective environment. For 2013, we've addressed your wishes, and you can now work in a full-screen perspective view while modeling. You even have the option to turn on the cropping window when setting up views for presentations. This may seem like a small change, but with the addition of a representative ground and sky, it now makes the perspective view a viable modeling mode. A new tool for properly showing complex objects is the Auto Hybrid tool. As we know, graphic convention says that what's above the cutting plane should be shown dashed. The cutting plane itself should be a fairly heavy line, and what's below should be shown as solid line work. Well, for 2013, we can automatically produce this drawing convention with just a few mouse clicks. The new surface array command helps you explore complex repeating elements on the surface of your freeform structures, providing an editable, fluid design environment as your project evolves. In its simplest form, two objects are required: a base surface consisting of any planar object or NURB surface, and an array item, which is the object you want repeated across the surface. Once you create the surface array, a coordinate system lets you shift the array item around the base surface to achieve the desired pattern or create even more complex patterns. You can also select how Vectorworks-Spotlight handles the edge condition of your array, either overlap, trim, or omit. With these three options, you'll be able to quickly create the edge condition you need. It won't be long until you're creating complex NURBS-based forms that can add a high level of sophisticated features to your designs. To begin with, the lighting device object for 2013 has matured significantly. For example, you can now create and display an unlimited number of fields associated with a lighting device. The same goes for the number of displayed labels. That's right, the Label Legend Manager now supports unlimited labels. What's more, the speed of regenerating your instruments has grown significantly. In Vectorworks-Spotlight 2013, lighting device regen times are now 10 times faster. You can now automatically display instruments in their assigned media color. In fact, what your instruments look like has expanded to include several interesting and new adaptations. Each of your lighting device components, such as clamp, yoke, and body, and any other classed instrument parts, can use the class attributes that you set. Haven't seen what you're looking for? Lighting devices on your light plot can use class attributes to modify their appearance, and the label, beam, body, yoke, and clamp can optionally use class attributes to modify their appearance as well. Adapting to the needs of audio professionals and those who want to easily represent the audio gear in their project, we've introduced the speaker object and, even better, the speaker array tool for 2013. We've partnered with Landru Designs to create speakers and also assemble them into line array configurations. These objects can also help design custom arrays with built-in coverage lines. So, rock on! You can now choose to display classes inside the organization dialog box and navigation palette in hierarchical form. You'll be able to hide groups of classes you don't need to see. This new feature will help you better manage the dozens or hundreds of symbol option changes you make. For instance, from the resource browser, simply select multiple symbols, open your context menu, and apply changes to all. It's just that easy. Dashed lines and custom line types are now resources that can be easily created and shared. The new feature enables you to create line types based on a repeating pattern of Vectorworks objects. This can include text or graphics. Since line types are resources, you can easily edit them, share them, and set teamwork standards. Golden ratio, golden section, divine proportion. However it may be known, the golden rectangle has been applied to any number of iconic architectural projects and famous pieces of art. The golden rectangle is now built into your classic rectangle tool, and it's a simple and elegant addition. While the geometry is selected, the Object Info palette will convey if a golden proportion has been traced. A great addition to the Vectorworks program is the new Hyperlink feature. With 2013, you can create hyperlinks with associated thumbnails or symbols to launch websites containing product manufacturer's data, open other Vectorworks documents, open a folder, or display save views, sheet layers, open file resources such as image files, PDFs, movie files, and more. Plus, hyperlinks are preserved when exporting to PDF. In Vectorworks 2013, you can effortlessly import complex models created in Rhinoceros. The addition of direct import and export support for Rhino 3DM files lets you collaborate with the Rhino application and further your design and documentation within Vectorworks. You asked and we listened. With Vectorworks 2013, we've added several improvements and capabilities to the DXF DWG import and export process that will dramatically improve the interoperability process. Now you can export Vectorworks 3D objects as 2D flattened graphics in the DWG model space. A new command lets you do a batch export for DWG DXF from multiple files at the same time. A new option allows you to make 2D and 3D conversion resolution adjustments during DWG DXF imports. A new option lets you choose true RGB or index colors on DWG DXF exports. A new DWG DXF import feature improves the speed of your imports by alerting you when complex hatches with multiple boundaries are found. This alert gives you the option to skip importing the hatch, convert the hatch to lines, or proceed with the import. And you can now import and export the Autodesk DWF file format. This means users will now have an even greater flexibility to interoperate and collaborate with others in both 2D and 3D. With RenderWorks 2013, you can now easily work with additional popular 3D applications with added file export options. With the new Collada export option, you can collaborate with applications such as Google Earth, ArcGIS, and SketchUp. In addition, the support of FBX file export lets you easily work with 3D Max and other modeling tools.
As we've demonstrated in this brief video, Vectorworks 2013 is an exciting new release that will help you take your designs to the next level. And we know that once you explore all the positive evolutions that Vectorworks has to offer, you too will agree that it remains the best software to help you realize your most inspired visions. Streamline your workflows, improve your efficiency, evolve with Vectorworks 2013.